Hey guys, I hope you are all well. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I am doing a Dior first impressions makeup look thing. Very different to what I normally do. I normally do fashion things, but I got loads of beautiful Dior makeup in the post, and I asked on my Instagram and on a poll, and everyone said that they wanted to see it. So I thought, let's do it. And I mean, it's nice to do some different things as well, and I don't really share much about makeup and stuff on here, so I thought maybe it would be interesting to share something a bit different. And to be fair, I do my makeup pretty much the same all the time, like technique wise. Not that I have any technique, you'll probably see in this video. So I thought, like, this is also just like how I do my makeup every day for filming, for shooting, for like going on a night out. I literally have one look always, unless I'm like have extra time and I'm feeling fancy. Sometimes I put some eyeshadow on. So I'm going to be using the makeup that's in here. So I also have some other pieces from Dior, so I'm going to use those as well. So I already have some like highlight and blush, some eyeshadows, and a lip palette, and a foundation and some brushes. So I thought I'd use those as well, so that it's like as much of a Dior look as possible. But then I also have my all-time faves in here that I use, that I don't have anything of Dior, like my concealer and stuff. So you'll learn about some of my favourite things to use as well. If you guys want me to do like what I use every day, then also leave me a comment in the description below, and I'm happy to do that. The first things first, I'm going to put my little headband on and pull my hair off my face so I look beautiful. So the first thing I have is, so this is like face and body foundation. I'm actually running out of this one, which I'm really sad about. I'm definitely going to replace it though, it's lasted me ages. And this is face and body primer and face and body foundation. I've never used a Dior primer before. I'm not big on primers, but I'm really interested to see how this one works. Especially interesting that it's a body primer. And it feels really nice on the skin, I have to say. Then I always normally do concealer. I don't know if to do concealer first or foundation. So this is my favourite concealer. I know some people say you're not meant to put it up to your eye, but I just get it on the brush, and I cover my eyelids too, because my eyelids are really pale and dark. So I always cover those, because sometimes I don't wear eyeshadow, or most of the time I don't wear eyeshadow, so I just do that as well. And then I do my chin, because I get spots on my chin, and it's always got like dark, even if it's not spotty, I've just got like scars and spots. And then I always do here too, because I get like dark, it's a bit darker. And also someone told me if you do it there, apparently it can like reflect and light up your eyes. So yeah, it's a bit crazy. And then the foundation, now I kind of switch between using a brush and putting it on my hand. So the next step is one that I've been doing for yonks, and that is using the Clinique Chubby Stick. And this is like one of my all-time favourite products. Okay, next I have bronzer, and I know that I just done the Clinique contour thing, but I do like to add a little bit more bronzer as well. I'm a bit OTT on the bronze. Okay, so now I'm gonna open up my new Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette. Now, actually really lucky that about 6 months ago to a year, I got, maybe 6 months, I got the other one. So I have already got this one, which as you can see is well used. All the Dior logo is like pretty much gone. And that is also a glow face palette, I think. But this one is like more kind of like pinky paler tones. So I'm going to use this one because it's new for my highlight, and I'm going to use these two shades because I quite like the brownie shades. And then sometimes I feel like I put a bit much on, or I don't like it, so I get my big brush again and just kind of spread it out. So I'm actually quite peculiar compared to everyone else, and like whenever I've watched things, I do my eyes last, and I know a lot of people do them first to like save fallout, but I just can't get my head around like doing foundation after eyes because I like literally go. So now I'm going to do eyes. So this is the eye palette that I got that's new, and this one is, I don't know if it's got a name, number 3, Amber Neutrals. I will link everything in the description below that I've used, including the products that aren't DIOR on the brushes, if I can find them. Some of them are random ones that I got. But these are really nice colours. They're kind of like ready. And then I've also got another one from them from last time, which is like way more neutral. So you can see, this is almost like a wintry one, but I really like them both, but I am going to use the new one. I think that looks okay. I'm looking very like Simpson-y in that picture, in that thing there, but I look okay in this. Okay, so next is eyes, and I think that's literally everything. Oh no, I've got lips for DIOR, but I'll do that last. So next is eyes, and I pretty much use the same 3 things all the time, and it's these or this. My eyebrow pencil, again, I'm not loyal, like I should be really, but I get sent a lot, so I just use whatever I've got because I think it's wasteful otherwise. I'm using this Topshop one at the moment, but I really wouldn't recommend it for blondes. Maybe I just need to get a different colour, but I'm using this one at the moment, and it's really orangey, but I'm just using it because I've got it, and it's the first I've just been using it. And then I found this one that I've got from Benefit, which is much better and has like a proper blonde colour. It's got all of these colours. And then I'm using eyeliner, this one from Benefit's really good, really easy to control and like get a nice flick. And then this mascara is a new discovery of mine, and it's insane. Like, it's kicked NARS off from the #1 spot. NARS has been at the #1 spot for like 2 years, and it's this new YSL one. It's so nice, it's so clean. Like, I rarely get it all over my eyelids, which is what I always do. And it's like, it doesn't clump together, it makes your eyelashes look longer. Like, you'll see, it's just amazing. So I'm gonna do my eyes now. Finally, I have the DIOR lip palette, which is super old. Well, not super old to me. There's some that I've literally used like to death, and some that I have not used at all, as you can see. So I'm gonna go with one of, I think I like to mix these 3 together, so I'm gonna do this one first. There we go. That is everything. Take my hairband off. Release the beast from my hair. What do you guys think? Let me come closer. What do you think? This is just how I do makeup every day. I think that this highlight's really nice. Penny, I think the highlight's really nice. I definitely could have done more with my eyes, but I'm an amateur. But yeah, let me know if you guys enjoyed this. If you want me to do any more videos of like makeup, then let me know like if there's another brand that you'd like me to do this for, or like I get sent a lot of makeup, so if you see anything on my Instagram that you want me to do a YouTube video about, or if you want me to do like my everyday makeup or anything really, or like my skincare, any beauty things that you want to see, then just let me know. I'm more than happy to film them and just like stick to what I know generally, which is fashion. So yeah, anything you want to see, just let me know and I will oblige. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think about my makeup. Do you like it? Do you hate it? And I will see you next time. Bye.